Hi friends, welcome to the channel Sophia Sew and Pray. In this video, I'll be sharing my sewing machine organizer that I made in this color. I did share the first one that I made in my sewing class. And so this one I made it at home and because it matches my room and my sewing chair. So I decided to put my featherweight machine on it because it looks awesome. All right, so we are going to be sewing the sewing machine organizer, which I like to call the sewing machine mat. So we have everything ready, and now we have the the back. So we're going to place the back right side down. Next, I added the front on the batten, making a sandwich. Next, you will add on top of the front piece, you're going to add the pocket, but you are going to fold it this way. Okay. Making sure this right here is out because we're going to fold all the way around. But we're going to fold this really neat. See, we don't have to do a M. So everything is sandwiched up in the order that I'm showing you. Next, you will add on the first pocket, you will add the small pocket. I forgot to tell you that before you fold the first pocket, you add the batten on it and then you fold it just like I'm going to do with the second pocket, which is the smaller one. The second pocket, what you're going to do, and I forgot to do that, you're going to bring it down a little bit, down to the back, all the way down, giving you enough room. Okay, so this is it all together. So we're going to nicely, neatly make sure everything is ready, and then I'll show you how to fold it in. Then you pin it, but if you can iron it when you fold it in before you pin it, it will be good. So as you can see now, I have it all organized now, all set, ready to be folded. So we're going, in order to fold, we are going to do like so. I am using my hands, and then we're going to pin all the way around. So now I've sandwiched it all together and I pinned all the way around. And what I'm going to do now is take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to stitch all the way around as close to the edge right here. If you would like, you can do any, not on this area, but quilting design stitches, if that's what you would like. After we stitch it all together, then we are going to divide the pockets at whatever size you would like. That's how I do mine. And so you'll have a double pocket, double pocket, double pocket. And you can embellish it, which I will be embellishing mine. And I'll show you the final result. There is the back. And this is the front, the first pocket, and the smaller pocket. So this pocket will be deeper and this one will be shorter, as you can see. I'll show you as soon as I finish stitching all the way around. So right now I am finishing up. So all I'm doing now is the last part, which is adding my little pockets. This one I'm doing it really slim. It's just for pins. So I have to continue because I am using my hand. This is the finished pockets. So this is one, and this one here is going to be for the size of a pen. Then I make another large one like this, and then three finger ones. And like I said, it's double. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.